A cake better than in pastry shops. Mix the softened butter. In a saucepan, mix sugar, flour, and vanilla sugar. Crack the eggs and whisk. Pour in sour cream and mix well. Boil the cream, stirring continuously until it thickens. Place the saucepan with the cream in a bowl of water and stir until it cools. Then put the cream in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Mix the pastry cream with butter. Put cocoa biscuits into the blender cup. Grind the biscuits finely and put them in a bowl. Add melted butter and mix well. Pour in milk and mix again. Put the biscuits into the springform pan. Flatten the biscuit base with the bottom of a glass. Put the cream into the springform pan in an even layer. Sprinkle with ground biscuits and chill for 1 hour. Put ice cubes into the glass. Chop the dark chocolate finely and put it in a bowl. Pour in hot coffee and stir until the chocolate melts. Pour the coffee and a little milk into the glass. Pour milk into another glass. Add cocoa and mix until it becomes foam. Put the milk foam into the glass. Sprinkle with grated chocolate. A fantastic no-bake cake to everyone's liking with a generous layer of smooth cream and delicious biscuits.